Well, I know when it comes to talking about a Monday with gray skies, usually that's not what we want to hear, but folks, it's pretty exciting to know we are finally getting some rainfall. We have desperately needed it over the last several days, almost up to 2 weeks in some locations since our last rainfall. But today we're changing that. Out across D.C. right now, looking back toward Roslyn, we have that gray sky and we are still waiting on that rain. Looks like we might be seeing a little bit of light drizzle coming down, but so far to the east near D.C. and I-95, the rain has not quite started just yet. But back over toward Hagerstown, look at that. The roadways are damp and we've already had some rainfall back across our western counties. Just great to see all of that. And it's all thanks to this storm system. It is centered up toward the Great Lakes. It is starting to lose some steam, but it managed to hold enough strength as it moved into our neck of the woods to produce this wide swath of rainfall right along the cold front with this system. And this is going to give us a very soggy afternoon and that much needed soaking rainfall that will be very beneficial once all is said and done. And there it is. We're just now starting to see the bulk of that rain across the DMV. It's been steadily raining back off to the west. We still have some steady rainfall here in the darker greens and yellows as well, back along the Allegheny front, the I-68 corridor in western Maryland, and that extends down through West Virginia. As you get to Winchester, Strasburg there, the rain lightens up a little bit, but that is that leading edge of steady rainfall that will continue to work east as the storm system moves east. And here you are into D.C. again, just some very light sprinkles going on in and around the Beltway. We've had some heavier showers to the north that are moving off into northeastern Maryland, but we're still waiting on the bulk of that steadier rain to make its way off to the east here this afternoon. And there's a good look so far. Locations that have had rain going on for the last few hours, those rainfall estimates are up to about a half an inch back into Allegheny, Mineral, Hampshire counties there in western Maryland and West Virginia. And that's what we're hoping for the entire area to see before all is said and done today. It won't completely cancel out our drought conditions, but any little bit is going to help. And there you are. We have a soggy afternoon ahead of us. We're watching out for a few storms as this cold front works east. We could see those thunderstorms develop southern Maryland down into the I-95 corridor in northern Virginia. Might have to watch out for a little bit of stormy weather. Now we're back to dry conditions tomorrow before yet another chance of rain is going to roll in on Wednesday. So we're not going to be totally dry again after today's rainfall. Very good news. And then we can expect typical warm and muggy weather by the end of this week. Now, let's go through the rest of the afternoon quickly here, folks. There is that front. It tracks east. It's going to create those showers and a few thunderstorms as we go 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when things really get kicking near the Chesapeake Bay. But thankfully enough, by that point for us, we're pretty much done with the bulk of those rain showers, and things will then quiet down as we go into the evening. But nonetheless, folks, this afternoon, a very beneficial rainfall going to be moving in and helping us out through the rest of the day today.